In a world obsessed with trends, there's one kind of beauty that never fades. Siren beauty. Mysterious, magnetic, effortlessly powerful. The kind that doesn't scream for attention, but pulls you in like a tide. Siren beauty isn't about heavy makeup or chasing perfection. It's about mastering the art of allure naturally. It's that glowing skin kissed by the sea, that calm, confident energy, and that subtle, enchanting vibe that makes people look twice, and then again. It's authentic, it's real, and it's unforgettable. In this video, I'm sharing 10 natural ways to awaken your inner siren and embody that deep, powerful, ocean-born beauty. No filters, just you and your magic. Tip 1. Crystal clear skin. To capture that radiant, moonlit glow, simplicity is key. Start with a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type, something mild that won't strip your skin of its natural oils. After cleansing, hydrate your skin with a nourishing serum or natural oil that matches your skin's needs. Whether it's jojoba oil, sea buckthorn oil, a tea tree serum, or rosehip oil. To truly get that natural siren glow, hydration is key. Think of it like the ocean nourishing the shore. Moisturizing your skin is essential. Use a gentle moisturizer or aloe vera for soothing and hydrating effect. Aloe vera cools and replenishes, while a gentle moisturizer helps lock in moisture and protect the skin barrier, especially after sun exposure or irritation. For an extra burst of freshness, keep a hydrating mist or facial spray on hand to refresh your face throughout the day, giving you that soft, sea spray glow. And don't forget to protect your skin from the sun. Sunscreen is essential for preserving your ethereal glow, preventing premature aging, sunburns, and dark spots. Remember, the ocean's beauty is timeless, and so can your skin be, with the right care. Tip 2. Soft coral kiss. For lips that feel as soft as coral, use a blend of honey and olive oil to exfoliate. Gently rub the mixture over your lips to remove dry skin, leaving them soft, smooth, and naturally tinted. Follow up with a light layer of natural beeswax lip balm to keep them hydrated. With this simple routine, you'll have kissable, plump lips all day long. To capture that true siren glow, use a natural overnight lip mask before bed. This seals in moisture and helps repair your lips overnight, leaving them soft and smooth by morning, ready to allure like a siren's kiss from the depths of the sea. Tip 3. Hair that looks kissed by sea breezes. To channel true siren energy, your hair should look effortless, like it's been gently tousled by ocean winds. Skip the heat styling and embrace your natural texture. Instead, air dry your hair in loose braids or buns to create soft, beachy waves without damage. For that iconic mermaid finish, mist your strands with a sea salt spray. Want something more nourishing? Use a touch of coconut oil to add shine and tame frizz. For extra growth and luminosity, give yourself relaxing scalp massages with rosemary oil. This boosts blood flow, encourages hair growth, and adds a natural sheen. You can also rinse your hair weekly with fermented rice water to strengthen it and make it silky, like strands spun from sea foam. At night, swap your cotton pillowcase for a silk one to reduce breakage and frizz. Wake up looking like you swam through dreams, not like you wrestled sea monsters. To awaken your inner siren glow, play with your hair's magic, add ocean-inspired clips, add flowing length with extensions, explore dreamy waves or ethereal updos, and if you can, experiment with ethereal styles like Fulani or goddess braids to truly embody that enchanting, seaborne energy. And remember, healthy hair starts from within. Eat biotin-rich foods like eggs, avocados, and leafy greens to support strong, glowing strands. Hydrated, nourished hair is the true crown of every siren. Tip 4. Siren gaze. Eyes that mesmerize. A siren's power often lies in her gaze, mysterious, enchanting, and impossible to forget. Start by soothing tired or puffy eyes with cool chamomile or green tea bags. Their antioxidants reduce inflammation and refresh the under-eye area, making your gaze look bright and awake. For naturally voluminous lashes, apply castor oil or coconut oil nightly using a clean mascara wand. These oils are rich in nutrients that promote lash growth and strength. Over time, you'll notice longer, fuller lashes that ripple like moonlight on water. Want extra drama? Add false lashes or lash clusters for that wide-eyed, captivating siren stare. To master the siren eye makeup look, start with a soft wing. Use black eyeliner, eyeshadow, or a pencil to line both your upper lash line and inner corner. Line your waterline as well, then gently smudge it for a mysterious, sultry blur. Finish off with mascara and lashes if you choose, to complete the siren effect. These eyes don't just look at you, they pull you in like the tide. Tip 5. Jewelry of the sea, minimal plus magical. Adorn yourself like the ocean would, gently, with meaning. Choose pieces that feel magical. Think delicate pearls, shells, moonstone, or aquamarine to channel that mystical marine energy. Crystals like clear quartz or amethyst can also amplify your aura. Tip 6. Siren-inspired makeup. For that effortless, glowing siren look, start with a BB cream or skin tint to even out your skin tone. Use a bit of concealer to gently cover redness. Add a soft flush of blush. Then set everything lightly with a translucent powder. Follow with the eye makeup from Tip 4. Finish by highlighting the high points of your face and top it off with your favorite lip combo. Tip 7. Siren Fashion Essentials. Channel ocean energy with flowy fabrics, sheer layers, and shimmery details. Think satin, silk, mesh, and iridescent tones like seafoam green, pearl white, and ocean blue. Let your outfit feel like it moves with the waves. Tip 8. See sculpted features. Sculpt your face like the ocean shapes the shore. Use a jade roller, gua sha, or your fingertips in gentle upward motions to stimulate circulation. Define your natural contours and release tension. This simple ritual leaves you with a radiant, lifted glow, like a true sea goddess. Tip 9. Tidal strength nails and enchant with scent. To achieve healthy, strong nails like a true siren, use a mix of vitamin E oil and argan oil to nourish your cuticles and nails. Decorate your nails with ocean-inspired designs, pearlescent hues, seashell accents, or shimmering blues. For that true siren vibe, leave a trail of magic with your scent. A signature fragrance is the silent song of every siren. Find one that speaks to your essence, maybe something aquatic, floral, or musky. To enhance its power and longevity, layer it with essential oils like vanilla, neroli, or sandalwood on your pulse points. It's subtle, irresistible, and deeply you. Tip 10. Eat like a sea queen and hydrate like the ocean depends on you. To get the siren glow, load up on omega-3 rich foods like salmon and seaweed. Incorporate ocean superfoods like spirulina and kelp. They detox and support luscious hair. And don't forget, hydration is your secret spell. Drink water like it's a love potion. Sirens don't do dry skin. Your glow should shine like the sea under moonlight. To be a siren is to dance with the waves, to move with the sea, to carry the wild beauty of the ocean wherever you go. You were born to glow, so never dim your light. For those who fear the power of your radiance. And that's how you become a true siren. Do you long to look ethereal? To embody that timeless grace? Then don't stop here. Click here and discover the secret to radiant, otherworldly beauty. Thanks for watching. Stay fabulous and keep glowing.